Paul Pogba any nebusiano Mr. Kakra nemu Messiah Mareho the man the Mareho nie Paul Pogba say sa nipa gang na omo ba ne so no omo di kan ba no so April Manchester and July omo san ba J Training Center ho na emre bi o Paris gang ni hia no e chechire ne de ko sha apartment bim na omo ka chen say wo ye nipa fon on say onya ska omo boys unuam so omo muska ni bi na omo wie no e na omo bi o say nipa na omo e ba no so no two e hood they were hooded men na dem o masem ne areho ne say na mienu kra assault rifle etuo ntino na ehu abem no omo wie no omo ka chen say so anya action a omo man as why nti they were willing to intimidate him for 13 million euros.
Some passports.
13 million euros. Sika omo yes omo Jeffrey Pogba ono.
13 million.
13 Now check 13 mama ni akomia. Mo be hu ye just Pluto.
That I command the Grammy say you one crowd film na. But I command the wigi. Ela apostle kano. Emeze one crowd. Akomia de yi mu 200 crowd ma area ehu ni bi. Akomia.
You get it? Nti kwaku the akoso no. Akoso a che say ne namfofo ne omudi agron krabrem. Eni ni nuam na aka bom blackmailing no. Sa na opachiro ni nuam Matias. 30 million echi no. O say boys no oni o man na ekoba. Na mom opamo baako because omo Manchester no hu say wa fa no 200,000 euros through the credit card. Opa no so chama 100
some passports.
So this is the traditional case where didn't many abri one me kwa untinti many abri nyina ya semba kope Blue Jacket man masem nyina ne say enye di yehu bi danie nanso amachi de onwumi o se de na chia pai no enye ono anepan samukai Adebayo ne Nebusia.
Yeah, kai.
Good. Now, me now from Nigeria, so catch me say Victor Osimhen is going through the same thing in Nigeria. Yes. Poja sisi na me bis o manu so atwa na me bisa no say o Charlie Osimhen is going through the same thing in Nigeria. Now, the traditional African footballer, maybe Jeff catch me, I check your case then I say look, oko Canada no ni under 17 for no inform musika ma o memba. Na nkra under 17 ba kun timi so original catch minister, ye na ehwe abusua o.
Under 17. Obi
made in so. Minister, first can bro. Look, the African footballer is not just a footballer. He is the breadwinner.
Across 70 years no. On 70 years no. As why catch me is a minister. Yeah. Africa there, yeah.
Inti ase. Dinti ame. Many poverty definition too from the United Nations. So if you live under $3 a day, you are poor. And then $2 cry, baby, when you're poor. Me habit medi. Say me see me didia. No, but there's no way my son Pure eats more than $2 a day. They no kudi. You get it? Manu, yes, some can say South African footballers now you no. Sabi, bono, and yet career football decisions in Kwano make you. Most of their decisions have to be economic and beneficial. Or here ne wafa asthma drone neto. Nese wa diabetes a drone ono neto. Enti yesremu enyado. San kray omo bobo no. Kwaku they are traditional symbols. So what tin what in year and me so me come what in year na no pay. Say the cultural representation of these footballers goes beyond just me a footballer. Sir, abusuane ebo afode omukroma afode a ye friend ma me ka chene se na oba ne de we wan fa ma ye nya hwe o ntu be kom no footballer no sa community nim no afode na ye bo na community nim no ne de ode be ba no is 60% of the entire funds they are raising.
Some passports.
Sankwa we na nya sika ni bia ma efie jadum na obia so has what we call an unbridled sense of entitlement. So only footballers didn't come out. Me the man can be na obi. So obi, so ni bie, or so kofaba. So who's a footballers in that now some kasa no mo ye e wase. Nature say, ne maame wo fase wa banana nka so abi school fees. Ya friend so famra. Emuwa nso so de ko wan fa nkwa. So yanka. Ekura ne ma omunya ska so hu ne omo ye. Na nya na e bompa ye ma.
Oda no na me kan se mi che miki no. O ana ne namfo ana ni nua bi. Na unu azuanzi ofre Ojo zo sio sebi wai Jimmy Foi of an asem nko we of amenye hwe
Adebayo the family worked against him.
Adebayo.
Yes. Adebayo no family ekun. Asamoja ne ni de nkomo ye ntimi nka in public. To the point say man for kajen so ye kwabri ni o nya bunu ni hwe pa.
Bi make that come.
Oh. Asamoja. Edana obie basilica na no. Ebi mutimi hwe nanim kajen nti uja ba no ba edan we betima maintain.
Because ache.
Oh, Asamoja wa bre papa. Nti look, your footballers no mutimi nka omasem. So mutimi ka omasem a. Kambo se namfo ni bi ene omua twetwe mutwo no abobeka o frantoma fo no. Omo na ekun footballers.
Some
Why? Because traditionally they are more than just footballers. Inti so obobo wa broche no je 4,000 euros, 6,000 euros, 12,000 euros a month. Now this also your China akodi $80,000 a month. Men need na them. Men mowa. Men money so. Now yonko da enoda. These footballers are not just footballers. They are breadwinners, not just for family, but for the entire community. Obobo na ada ni nemo buno. Dan no mefe na ka che ne say. Ekroni ko tu nsuo, ekroni ko twe light. Na ne de ode ba we. Nti Pogba de no, it's endemic and it's systemic. Na nka we nyina nko no. Pogba ene the organized crime division akasa. One crime police nso akasa. Ni nua na asem odi tu dwanie. Wakwa
some passports.
Se Pogba no kra akofa malam. Se nko mra no meku Mbappe sa no entima nko World Cup.
Ono ani nua no.
Oh. Now this is Matthias' statement. Me kind of brofo. Na Miriam Ababi reasem na man. Ha ha ha. What I expected to happen has happened. My little brother is finally starting to show his true face. Since it was he who started talking to lie to the police and who brought out the information, you can't blame me. Paul, you really wanted to shut me up completely, to lie and send me to prison. I suspected it. Now it's true. My version of the facts actually happened. And unlike you, I have enough to prove my words and your lies. I will tell you again, brother, manipulating people is not good. It's not about money. You implicated me in spite of myself. I almost died because of you. You left me in a hole and you want to play the innocent one. When everything is said, people will see that there is no bigger coward, bigger traitor, and bigger hypocrite than you on this earth. Killian, now you understand? I have no negative feeling towards you. My words are for your good. Everything is true and proven. The witch doctor is known. Sorry about this, brother. A so-called Muslim, deep in witchcraft, it's never good to have a hypocrite and traitor near you. Matthias Pogba. So this goes deep. It's systemic, it's endemic. Our African footballers are dying under the weight of an entire family. They are dying under the weight of an entire community. Yachichire busuya deswa ene de aswa no. Yachichire omamuni nyina deswa ene de aswa no. Ti ekoba omaya for the cram. Yesi on fane the embra. The home naba. Please come in.
Sibling rivalry is dangerous. Abu right from the Bible.
Cain and Abel.
Yeah, Cain and Abel. So many niano.
Yeah.
Any brainty. Cain ye day.
Okun
Joseph Niniano. Oman Tona Nkosi.
Yeah.
So sibling rivalry, even in the Bible, is dangerous. And one Shane says he will cheer. I am Ned. Once was it or not the no two hole mo. There's a Pogba and Shane chi. So Johnny chi to hole.
We Atta penny na Atta
where penny or you
penny Atta omoyenta.
Yeah.
And when a penny na foreign near kit
Matthias, yeah.
Matthias in a penny.
Yeah. When says he in a chi.
But only the M Chama issues when the on Ben Pogba
no issues.
When the man who's only winning
in the French police investigations, they revealed say as late as March, these people were on good terms. That's what the police is saying. So a lot must have gone wrong.
Sika. And the best example of how I would see with Giannis there, Antetokounmpo, Milwaukee Bucks.
Yeah.
Nebusi no nya kwan be ra US no. Omunyi na ba US. They are into basketball. Ninua Costas. Oni Lakers AJ NBA playoffs no. He was part of their squad. Omu roster no. Ba wambobi bebre. But in the year history, he's the first Greek to win an NBA ring. Wambobio, but enam ninua ne so nti wa be history.
I don't know munchi Africa ya.
Yes, and I Atta Poku.
Okay.
And Tomoko Greece and Antetokounmpo.
Still Nigeria. Still is a Nigeria.
Yeah.
Son of
Anna, or de Thanasis. And so about Milwaukee Bucks, baby, or Niani Mobile by Tianica. Into Yanum ni no. What she see, I think, sir. Pogba when CCH.
Brush with here.
And then, baby, I am no one of the Nanka, quick one, my main fam. Ajax for no video be Anthony and Lisandro Martinez at Chatium. And Cambria, my Sikabe FFC. Na the woman near Tiens Hamamitika crack.
Super Sports.
See me so back. I dance it. Bra, me da say. Nchiremu no wa won te kasa no me chirem sesi a. So I say, ye bu nkofo no.
And we so aje so.
Ye bu mo akwawie, ye bu mo akwawie. Na ye bra de wom nie. Bra de wom nie. Ka dem so pacho. De wom nie. O kasa no man ka bi. Bra pacho me so. De wom nie. Sika Manchester United. Etuama ya na me so.
Abazo.
Sumpa TV. Emma Aketriapa.